Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quite some time ago I shared with you a little bit of a beauty haul, and a couple of products that I got is from Costco, and it's the retinol. I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos. Actually, I watch a lot. I follow a lot of YouTubers, and one doctor, skin doctor, he reviewed the OLAY Regenerist Retinol24 and highly recommends it. Now, another skin doctor, who's Dr. Dre, she really likes and suggests NEUTROGENA Rapid Wrinkle Repair, and this is advertised everywhere. So I decided to give a try on both of them and do a comparison, and I was very lucky to see that they were sold at Costco in bulk and for a great price. So I started using it, and I'm going to show you the first one that I decided to try, and there's no reason why I decided to try this one first. Actually, no, another doctor, the first doctor said, oh, he likes this because it feels very creamy. So this is what it looks like. I have two of these, and I think this is the second one, so I'm almost done with it. And I'm going to rub it on my hand just so you could see the texture of this. And this is it, and it feels extremely silky, very, very silky, very nice. I think it's great for really dry skin, and you need to do some exfoliation. The reason why I have interest in buying retinol products is I wanted to use it on my body, and I heard that retinol actually helps build up your collagen or maintain it, and I'm interested in that. So then let's take a look at the one from Neutrogena. The Olay is all plastic. This jar is glass, but the lid is plastic. There's no extra lid to cover the top, and yes, you have to dip your finger inside. I'm just gonna rub it right over here, and this is silky too, but not as silky, so it's really good. And you know what, I forgot to smell these if it has perfume. I think this smells, the Neutrogena one smells like it has banana scent in it. And let's just open up the Olay one again. So this is all plastic packaging with an extra lid. Let me smell this one. I think I can still smell the banana on this hand. This doesn't have much of a scent to it. I can't detect a scent to it at all. And it feels very silky. Both of them do not tell you the percentage of retinol that's in here. So I'll tell you what I think. I think they're both great. I don't see any difference with respect to the exfoliation of your skin. I do notice with both of them, when you apply them on, my skin is peeling. It's exfoliating it, because if you rub your skin like this, it starts peeling off a little bit after maybe like 12 or 24 hours. That's what I noticed with both of them. This is 40 milliliters. This one is 50 milliliters. I think the price range, I don't remember the difference of the price range, but they are kind of close. Which one would I suggest? This one feels more silky. This one spreads on really good, so it's not thick and hard to spread on. I use it for the body, not for the face. And what do I think, or which one would I suggest? I would say both. It doesn't matter. I would buy whatever's on sale, grab it, buy a couple, and then put it on your body parts. If you want to use it on your face, that's fine. I don't, because I use prescription Retin-A. So that's that. Any other comments I have? I am fully aware that in the USA you can buy advanced clinicals, and they have one called the retinol cream, and it's a big jar, and you can put it all over your body, and that is enough, and it's highly recommended by Dr. Dre if you follow her YouTube channel. I cannot get in Canada. I've looked into ordering it. It's about $16 Canadian, and to have it shipped to me, it costs $20 plus any additional custom fees. So I don't think it's worth ordering it. I think I'll just wait to see if it'll ever be sold in Canada, that particular name brand, since Dr. Dre suggested or recommends it, and she thinks it's good enough for the body. So that is my review. I hope you really enjoyed it. It was a really quick video, and thank you so much for watching right to the end, and take care.